It's officially fall, and although the colors haven't started to fully change, I thought it would still be fun to have an autumn picnic with my daughters. My daughter and I live 1,600 miles apart, and anytime we can be together, we are thrilled. I am so thankful also to still have another daughter at home, and so very happy that we can all be together for 1 week.
There's my dear darling granddaughter too. She's so fun.
It was time to get cooking. The first thing we made was our mini Bundt cakes. We were supposed to have made them the day before, but since we didn't have all the ingredients, we had to wait until the next day. You can find the recipe here. Just click on the link in the top right corner, and I'll also post it in the description box below. Next, we made our strawberry lemonade. This is the easiest thing in the world to make, but it's so good. Starting off with about 2 cups of fresh squeezed lemonade in a blender. You can see the recipe link for how to make fresh squeezed lemonade. You then add approximately 1 cup of frozen strawberries. Blend until pureed, or if you want little chunks of strawberries, don't blend it quite as long. Take the blended strawberries and stir it into the rest of your fresh squeezed lemonade. We then put our strawberry lemonade into a nice spill-proof bottle.
Now for the main part of our picnic, the chicken pesto sandwich that we served on sourdough bread. Keep your hand flat on the chicken breast and apply a slight amount of pressure as you cut it in half. You want a nice even breast so that all the chicken finishes on the grill at the same time. Since we had some very large chicken breasts, I cut the breast in half lengthwise. Season each side of the chicken breast liberally with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning.
Fire up your grill to medium-high heat. Once the grill has reached 350 degrees to 400 degrees, place your chicken onto the grill and cook for 5 minutes per side. Remove the chicken breast from the grill and let rest for 5 to 10 minutes before you start to cut it. Cutting the meat too soon allows the juices to run out, and we want to keep all that moisture inside. Slice the chicken breast into 1/4 inch long strips. Some of the longer strips you might want to cut in half.
Lay out your sourdough bread and then spread mayonnaise on each slice, following it up with pesto sauce. Now we're going to assemble the sandwiches. Put a slice of cheese and maybe a bit more on each piece of bread. Trust me, this will not be too cheesy. Is there such a thing? I'm going to layer one side of bread with sliced tomatoes, topping that with the sliced chicken. That's it. Place a second slice of bread on top, brush the tops and bottom of bread with olive oil, and you're ready to take it to the grill. Grill over medium-high heat just until toasted, then flip and toast the reverse side. Now we want to cut the sandwiches in half, and Serenity is going to show you a neat little way to package your sandwiches. Doesn't that look amazing? Take a piece of parchment paper and fold it in half. The folded part will be at the top of the sandwich. Place about 1/2 of the sandwich onto the parchment paper. Then fold up the bottom paper and then fold in the sides. For the final little touch, take a piece of twine and wrap it around the sandwich twice and tie it either in a knot or make a little bow. It gives them that extra special touch. Now for the moment we had been looking forward to. Time to go on our picnic. We loaded up the picnic basket, and into the basket we put individual cups of broccoli salad that I had assembled the day before, but was waited until the day of the picnic before I added my dressing. If you are interested in a broccoli salad video, let me know in the comments below. We put our Bundt cakes in, our pita chips, hummus, fruit skewers, and sandwiches, along with some cloth napkins that I nestled in with the food to prevent jostling of the items. I find the view of my daughter and son-in-law's farm so beautiful, and I love that we were able to just walk out from the house to our picnic spot. One of my favorite things is preparing the table for a party, and in this case, it was our outdoor picnic. I had to rearrange a few things until I liked the setup. I picked some yellow flowers that were growing nearby and dropped some fall leaves onto our blanket. I think we were all made to be creative. Some have this skill more than others, but I believe it can be developed just like art can be learned. Putting a little extra time into things doesn't have to take long, and it doesn't have to be complicated, but it can go a long way in making the ordinary feel extraordinary. I am thankful that we had this time together. Daughters are such a precious gift, and sharing with my little granddaughter this moment was priceless. Is there someone you have in mind you could plan a picnic for? Answer in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's a big help because it lets YouTube know there's people enjoying this type of content. Thank you so much. And last of all, happy fall.